Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt. And this is Pokemon Rumble Rush. And I wonder why the game isn't loading at all. Why aren't you loading? Hey, why aren't you loading? There you go, guys. Sorry for the delay. Let me just answer a recent question or some questions I've received from you guys. So, a lot of you are wondering where I got this wallpaper. I discussed this in a previous video, so you have 5 Pokemon to choose. And normally, I choose my Scorbunny. Sometimes I accidentally double tap my screen and it kind of switches to Sobble and so on and so forth. And this kind of is interactive. You can wake Scorbunny up. Oh, he's so cute! He's so cute, guys. And he'll be sleepy really soon because it's kind of late. There you go, guys. Sleepy Scorbunny. And he's asleep. Anyway, that is a Pixel 4 exclusive wallpaper, live wallpaper. You just, go to styles and wallpapers and home and lock screen. There is a come alive thing here and there is a Pokemon sidekick thing. Double tap to switch Pokemon. Guys, actually, this reacts to motion sense. So Pixel 4 has a radar something that your Pokemon will be able to see you, your eyes, your hands. Unfortunately, that thing isn't available in the Philippines. And now it's just. What is Playmore? Playmore actually, I think, opens up Pokemon Wave Hello. It's another app. And now it just reacts to taps. So, hey, wake up. Sorry, Scorbunny. And if I tap here and he'll look up and down and up and down and left, right, up, down. There you go, guys. So that's it. That was really cute Scorbunny over here and he's asleep again. It's nighttime. It's 2 something a.m. And guys, before we move on to our tournament, let me just lower down this volume a bit. Refine some ores and grab whatever is inside. So far, I haven't gotten the semi super rares, not a single one. I wonder why. I got both super rares, Sacred Fire and Full Tackle though. Good that we got 2 Entei Sacred Fire. Hopefully I will be able to increase the level of this Sacred Fire gear very soon. 9 out of 24 if we kind of sell these. Not really sell, but transfer or send to club. We will have 18 out of 24 if I'm not mistaken. So still, we need at least one more. And transferring that thing. Anyway, this is Battle Royale Mewtwo Cup. And we're gonna do Ultra Ball tiers C, B, and A. And tomorrow, Master Ball tier, guys. Ultra Ball CBA, equipping Porygon with a charge boost. Super summon gears are practically worthless in this whatchamacallit, in this Battle Royale thing. So it's just there for whatever purpose. We're just gonna give either Lubber or Grappler to this Pokemon Magmar. And a Snappy to my Earthquake Tyrant. And guys, whenever we lose, we can actually restart the battle by closing the game and restarting again before the game or before the credits roll. So with that said, this is Ultra Ball Tier C Battle. Here we go. If Pokemon are being nice and not moving at all, Porygon will be the MVP. If not, Tyrant or Magmar. We died. How dare you? Okay, we might actually lose this or not. We win, guys. We win. I don't really care about how many of them are alive or how many we KO. It's okay for me. We got 30,800 points. It's fine for me. And with that said, this is Ultra Ball Tier B. We're moving on. Still using the same Pokemon. Not really caring about switching. 2 Articunos, guys. A lot of water types. There's a flying fire type over there. Magmar will take care of Vileplume. Tyrant will take care of Raichu. Porygon will take care of most of them. Let's just see. Come on, Tyrant. Don't die so fast. Tyrant, you need to do something. Tyrant, kill. Kill them, Tyrant. Come on, don't die. There you go. Magmar's the MVP. Close. We got 25,200 points. Not so much compared to earlier because we only KO'd 4. It's fine. We're not trying to hoard as many points as... We still have many points, many points from Torchic Cup. We haven't exchanged them at all. We can exchange them if we want. I hope that there's no limit for this, guys. Anyway, Ultra Ball Tier A. And one of them... No, not really. Let's battle! Come on, win this. Win this. Tyrant is doing a good job fighting against Magmar as to who's the MVP. You're doing good. You did well. Thank you to my team. Awesome job. Awesome job. KO points 9. 43,600. Awesome. And that concludes today's episode of Mewtwo Cup, guys. Tomorrow we'll be doing Master Ball Tier. And with that said, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. We got level 5 available tomorrow, Flareon. Let's just quickly refine this welcome ore. Probably worthless thing. Mostly worthless thing. My phone vibrated. I am running out of space, guys. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow.